Drink this first, David. Your mind needs to cool down.
The bills are high and the money is low. We cannot afford two big gifts this month.
But both girls are waiting. They are really excited.
Yeah, I know. So what do we do?
Okay, listen. I have an idea. This time, we give the gift only to Nora.
Only Nora? What about Lily? She will feel sad.
No, listen, Nora does not help at home. She always makes excuses.
That is true.
So we will tell her if she wants the gift, she has to earn it.
Earn it? How?
We will give her small tasks, simple housework. This way, she will learn to do her own work.
And Lily?
Lily already helps us. We will give her a nice gift next time.
Okay. That makes sense.
This way, Nora will learn responsibility.
I just hope she understands.
I'm sure she will. Nora, what is all this?
I am playing Mom.
Okay, listen. Do you want a special gift?
Yes, Mom, is it the big doll?
Maybe. But you must complete a 2-day challenge first.
A challenge? I can do anything for a gift.
You must clean your room and fold clothes.
That is all? I will do it right now.
And one more thing, you have to clean the table every evening. Okay, I will do it.
Can we talk for a moment, sweetheart?
Yes, Dad. Is something wrong?
We can only buy one big gift this month, Lily.
I understand, Dad. Money is tight right now.
You are so mature. You will get your gift next month.
It is okay, Dad. Watch me, Dad. I am going to win.
Let us see if you stay this excited until tonight.
This will be good for her, David.
This sheet is too heavy. I want to quit.
If you quit now, the gift goes away.
Why can Lily not help me? Just this once.
Because this is your challenge, not hers.
This is the hardest game I have ever played.
She is crying. Please, let me help her a little.
No, she needs to find her own strength, David.
Fine. I will do it without any help.
Look, Mom. This one is perfectly flat.
You are working like a professional, Nora.
I actually like seeing the clothes so neat.
You are doing better than I do, princess.
It is time to clean the dinner table now.
If you liked Nora's hard work,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Do you want me to do it, Nora? No, Lily. This is my job today.
Look at her. She is really trying.
Yeah, I did not expect this. She is doing great.
Mom, Dad, look! I finished cleaning the table. Wow, Nora, that looks really nice.
Great job, Nora. You did it all by yourself.
I finished everything. The whole house is clean.
We are very proud of your hard work, Nora.
You earned this. It belongs to you now.
It is beautiful. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Can I see your new gift, Nora?
Yes, of course. You can see it.
Can you help me fix her hair?
Yes, sure. Her hair is so nice. Yes, I like this doll a lot. Do not worry, Dad. I will clean this up.
You are doing this without a gift today?
I do not know. I just like it when everything is clean. I will help you with the glasses. Nora,
You were right. Your plan worked.
No, she did it herself. She just needed a chance.
Hard work, but we haven't, has changed our little home today.
now let us finish this so we can play.
This is the best gift for the whole family.